Ever tried making French crullers at home and ended up with a soggy mess instead of delicate perfection? You're not alone, but today that all changes. We're diving deep into the art of creating those unbelievably light, airy, and crispy crullers you only thought fancy bakeries could achieve. Get ready to surprise yourself and your taste buds with a dessert that looks complicated, but is surprisingly simple once you know the tricks. The secret to a show-stopping French cruller lies entirely in mastering the choux pastry. That's right, the same dough used for eclairs and cream puffs. Many home bakers struggle with getting the right consistency, often leading to a pastry that's too runny or too stiff, making it impossible to pipe those iconic fluted shapes. The challenge is finding that sweet spot where the dough holds its form but remains light. We'll start by gently cooking flour, butter, and water then, the crucial step, beating in eggs one by one until your choux is shiny, smooth, and falls from the spoon in a perfect V shape. This careful attention to texture is what makes all the difference. Next, we'll pipe these beauties onto parchment paper squares, ready for their grand transformation in hot oil. Watch as they puff up instantly, developing their signature crisp exterior and hollow interior, just waiting to be dipped in a simple, sweet vanilla glaze. Who knew something this elegant and delicious could be made right in your kitchen? These homemade French crullers are pure bliss. Craving more sweet success? Click here for my incredible churros recipe.